Okay, so today let's deal with essay 510, that is initial audit engagements, opening balances. पहला तो कि इस ऐसे से भी क्वेश्चंस आने के चांसेस बहुत रेयर है, ज़्यादा क्वेश्चंस बनते नहीं हैं, लेकिन आपको एक बेसिक नॉलेज होना चाहिए. प्रैक्टिकली ऑल्सो इट विल बी हेल्पफुल टू यू. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट व्हाट्स देयर इन ऐसे 510. पहला तो मैनेजमेंट फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स प्रिपेयर करवाता है. ऑफकोर्स टू प्रिपेयर फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स इज नॉट अवर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. सो व्हाट इज ऑडिटर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रिगार्डिंग ऐसे 510? So auditor should obtain sufficient appropriate evidence that closing balances of preceding period has been correctly brought forward to current period, or when appropriate any adjustments have been disclosed as prior period items in the current year's financial statement. So as an auditor you have to check whether the closing balances of last year has been correctly brought forward to as an opening balance of current year, and if any adjustment required in current year's balance, then proper adjustment have been done and proper disclosure have been made in financial statements itself. Third, accounting policies followed in preceding period based on which opening balances have been arrived at were appropriate, and that those policies are consistently applied. Fourth, if auditor concludes that accounting policies have not been consistently applied or not been properly accounted for, auditor has to express either qualified or adverse opinion as may be appropriate. सो 4 पॉइंट्स आपको याद रखना है एज एन ऑडिटर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रिगार्डिंग ऐसे 510. फर्स्ट इज क्लोजिंग बैलेंस हैज़ बिन करेक्टली ब्रॉट फॉरवर्ड. सेकेंड इज इफ एनी एडजस्टमेंट्स रिक्वायर्ड देन इट हैज़ बिन डिस्क्लोज्ड करेक्टली. Third is accounting policies followed in preceding period has been consistently followed in current period as well. And fourth is if auditor conclude that accounting policies have not been consistently applied, then he should disclose it in auditor's report. One more special point in this essay, the question may be when auditors specially need to obtain sufficient audit evidence or document. So answer is auditor should verify or obtain sufficient appropriate audit evidence and the document, especially if two conditions are there. First, prior period statements are not audited at all, or second, prior period statements are audited by predecessor auditor, means not audited by you, by some other auditor. So in two conditions, auditors specially should emphasize on gathering, on obtaining documents and audit evidence regarding correctness of opening balances. So that's all. These two tiny questions from essay 510. So see you with the next essay. Stay tuned. Bye bye.